I just got turned off watching a 5+ hour video. It made me want to go cancel my order. Seen his videos before. It's not him. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. Yeah, I'm talking about a Dancing Wing J3 Firebird UMX 100-gram plane. It looks like this plane right here. Yeah, the Sports Cup S2. Homemade. I thought I'd get one because it'd keep me busy during the winter time. And yeah, another UMX plane similar to the Hobbies own Champ, which I was talking about. It's not going to replace the professional company models like so. But it's going to give me the fun I want to have fun flying. Wasn't a low battery. Just something wasn't right. At least I know when I do my build, I have a lot of fun, take my time, get it done, and I get it accomplished. Come out for a flight, and it works out fine, I'll be happy. If it crashes and doesn't do a good job, oh well, can't cry about it. Flying is fun. As long as you got the right plane to fly with, then you have no headaches. But the fun has been taken out of the flying. I don't love the camera I use to show my flying. And that's the DJI Osmo Action 4. And the reason for that is, it's got the most distant field of view, even on standard FOV. No, I don't go to a GoPro Hero 12 and use the 8x7 screen and then just, crop in, because you're cropping in on whatever size resolution you're shooting at. I think I've been spoiled by DJI's instant record, the quick start recording that GoPro just don't have. And I don't have 8 seconds each time to waste. It's just too bad the Insta360 Ace Pro don't have a front screen like DJI and GoPro. Well, I got things to do, take care of, and get things answered. Get going. Yeah, I had a good time. That's all that matters. You know who I am, and I catch on many other videos to come.